Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired country farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired country farmhouse decoration is a charming and nostalgic home decor style that blends the warmth of country living with the timeless beauty of vintage beaches. It creates a cozy, welcoming, and lived-in feel that celebrates the simplicity, craftsmanship, and rustic elegance. Vintage-inspired country farmhouse decor draws inspiration from old rural homes and classic farm life, combining vintage finds, antique furniture, and natural textures. It celebrates imperfection, weathered finishes, distressed paint, and handcrafted details, all add soul and character to the space. The goal is to create a space that feels warm, personal, and nostalgic, like stepping into a family farmhouse filled with history. Each item seems to tell a story, and the decor evokes comfort and authenticity rather than perfection. How to achieve the look? Mix old and new. Pair a modern sofa with a vintage coffee table or antique cabinet. Use reclaimed materials. Add open oak shelves or barn-style doors. Incorporate handmade touches. Use crocheted straws, embroidered pillows, or hand-painted ceramics. Add layered textures, combine linen, wool, cotton, and oat fur tip. Decorate with seasonal natural elements, red flower with stalks, or greenery in rustic vases. The overall feel, a vintage-inspired country farmhouse home feels like a gentle embrace, calm, charming, and deeply connected to nature and history. It is our vintage treasures and country simplicity made to create a timeless haven. The essence of the style, vintage-inspired country farmhouse decor combines nostalgia, comfort, and simplicity. It is all about creating a home that feels lived in and loved, with an atmosphere that is relaxed, warm, and inviting, rather than being overly polished. This style embraces imperfections, chipped paint on oat and handcrafted details that tell a story. It draws from early American and European farmhouses, where homes are built for functionality but filled with thoughtful personal touches. The color story. The color palette is soft, earthy, and timeless, inspired by the countryside itself. You will see creamy whites and warm beige for walls and large furniture pieces. Muted pastels such as fresh green, pale blue, lush pink, or dusty lavender. Use natural wood tones from weathered oak to reclaimed pine. Hints of black and charcoal used in oat, iron, or vintage metal accents. This use makes spaces feel open, calm, and cozy, while allowing your vintage decor to stand out. Furniture with character. Vintage farmhouse furniture often looks like it has been passed down for generations. You will find displays wooden tables and hutches, antique armoires and buffets, iron or brass bed frames, rocking chairs or Windsor-style wooden chairs. Use farmhouse sinks and rustic kitchen island. The goal is to mix function and beauty, making every bit purposeful yet charming. Textures and fabrics. Texture bring warmth and depth to the space. Popular materials include linen, burlap, and cotton for curtains and slipcovers. Use crochet or lace details for tablecloth and toilets, own and knitted troughs for cozy comfort. wicker baskets for storage and decoration. Layering soft fabrics with edged wood and metal creates that perfect rustic balance. Lighting and ambience. Lighting in a vintage country farmhouse is soft and welcoming. Use iron candlelights or lantern-style pendant lights. Use wall sconces with edged finishes. Messenger lights or candle lanterns for gentle glow. Use natural sunlight. Sheer curtains let the light flow through beautifully. Warm lighting enhances the cozy and nostalgic feel of your home. Emotional atmosphere. A vintage-inspired country farmhouse home does not just look beautiful, it feels peaceful. It is a space that invites you to slow down, sip tea by the window, and appreciate simple moments. The combination of history, nature, and comfort creates a home that is authentic, grounded, and heartwarming. Let's explore the vintage-inspired country farmhouse decoration, even deeper details, focusing on its roots, artistic mode, materials, and how to make your home feel truly timeless and soulful. The vintage-inspired country farmhouse style is born from the heritage of rural living. Our homes are simple, handmade, and practical, but full of love and comfort. It draws influence from early American farmhouses for practical, sturdy wooden structure. European country homes, especially English, French, and Scandinavian cottages. Old world craftsmanship, furniture built to last generations. This style reinterprets that nostalgia through a modern lens, keeping the coziness, authenticity, and charm, but with cleaner, lighter touches. Philosophy of the look and its heart. Vintage-inspired farmhouse decor celebrates simplicity over luxury, history over trendiness, natural beauty over perfection. It is not about making a space look like a museum, it is about creating a home that feels warm, collected, and alive with memories. Every imperfection, a worn edge on the table, a faded cushion cover, adds soul and authenticity. Architectural elements. The architecture itself often sets the tone for this style. Key features include exposed wooden beams, shiplap or bedboard walls, farmhouse sinks and apron front, wood flooring often aged or whitewashed. Use barn doors or sliding wooden panels. Large windows to invite natural light and nature's charm inside. If you can't change your home's structure, you can mimic this look with reclaimed materials, wall panels, or rustic wallpaper patterns. Vintage character and authenticity. Authenticity is everything here. Real materials, real art, and real craftsmanship. You can incorporate this by collecting antique market finds like old chairs, pottery, trays, typewriters, and clocks. Using repurposed furniture and old wood turned into a table or crates as shelves. Choosing handmade or local artisan pieces instead of factory-made decor. Blending farm tools, enamel art, and botanical prints for that nostalgic countryside feel. Every object should have a story, even if you just create one for it. Mood and atmosphere. The emotional goal is to make your home feel like a peaceful retreat, a place where time slows down. Use soft candlelight, diffused sunlight, and warm lamps. Make evening glow gently. Clump neutral tones keep the space serene. Gentle background textures like the crack of wood floors, the smell of charred lavender, or the sound of a ticking wall clock complete the sensory experience. The ambience is what truly sets Vintage Country Farmhouse Decor apart. It feels lived in, natural, and peaceful. Practicality with beauty. Unlike purely decorative styles, farmhouse design is about functionality and comfort. Basket sold blankets, wood, or linens. Use open shelves display everyday crockery. Vintage trunks or cabinets offer a good result. The soul of vintage inspired country farmhouse decor. This style is not just about how a home looks, it is about how it feels. It is the perfect blend of history, warmth, and homeliness. Every piece, whether it is a distressed cabinet, a weathered photo frame, or a simple cotton curtain, carries a story. The home feels collected over time, not decided overnight. It is a celebration of family heritage, solo living, connection to the land, everyday beauty in simple things. Imagine a place that smells faintly of wood polish, coffee, and fresh linen. That is the feeling of Venus farmhouse charm. A timeless blend of eras. What makes this style fascinating is how it gracefully combines vintage nostalgia with country comfort. From the vintage side, it borrows antique shapes, heirloom details, and aged finishes. From the farmhouse side, it embraces rural simplicity, natural textures, and cozy practicality. Together, they create a space that feels authentic and internal, rooted in the past, yet perfectly livable today. Pictures that tell stories. Picture is how it gives depth and life to this style. Each surface is chosen to feel inviting and real, never too sleek or shiny. Typical farmhouse textures include reclaimed wood, is rough, warm, full of grain and character. Linen and cotton fabrics is soft, breathable, and relaxed. Distress paint finishes, own aged, showing layers of history. Iron, zinc, and galvanized metal for a touch of rustic toughness. Stone and brick, grounding elements that add earthiness. Layering these textures makes the space feel tactile and comforting. You want to touch everything. Decorative details and painting. In a vintage farmhouse home, details matter deeply, not for show but for sentiment. Use a cheap teacup on a shelf might have belonged to someone's grandmother. A stack of old books becomes part of the decor. A lace towel, hand-embroidered pillow, or quilt tells a story of care and time. These are the small, imperfect textures that give the home its heart. Scent, sound, and feeling. The sensory layers complete the experience. The faint crackle of a wooden floor, the aroma of freshly baked bread or lavender, the flicker of a candle on a vintage tray, the hum of a ceiling fan or ticking of an old wall clock. The soft sensory moments makes your home feel alive with nostalgia. The modern touches in a vintage world. Even though the look is vintage inspired, it's not about living in the past. Modern comforts can blend shamelessly. A neutral modern sofa with antique throw pillows, a sleek kitchen island with reclaimed oak tools. Minimalist lighting fixtures softened by country textures. This balance keeps the decor timeless, elegant, cozy, and livable. The lifestyle it represents, living in a vintage inspired country farmhouse space, often reflects the mindset. You appreciate slowness, home cooked meals, morning sunlight, and fresh flowers. You value sustainability, upcycling furniture, and reusing what you have. You believe in comfort over perfection, letting your home feel genuine and warm. It is not just decoration, it is a way of living beautifully and simply. Philosophy and spirit. The essence of this decor lies in appreciating the past while celebrating simplicity. A vintage-inspired country farmhouse home is more than decor. It is a way of life. It is about slowing down, cherishing handmade pieces, and finding beauty in imperfection. It values authenticity. Nothing overly polished, everything feels real and lived in. Memory. Every item tells a story, even a chipped mug or an old trunk. Comfort. Spaces are meant to be used, not just admired. Nature. Natural light, fresh air, and organic materials play a huge role. This style creates homes that breathe warmth, love, and history. Every vintage farmhouse home has a hut, often the kitchen or living room, where comfort and connection are felt most. The kitchen. Wooden shelves, open dish displays, copper pans, and farmhouse sinks bring timeless charm. The living room. Use distressed coffee tables, sleep-covered sofas, and antique clocks create a cozy retreat. The bedroom. Iron bed frames, embroidered linens, and soft coils make it feel peaceful and safe. Every room should feel like it belongs, connected through textures, colors, and stories. It is the kind of space that feels like home the moment you walk in. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.